Hello and welcome to Hank Green Plays Minecraft. Specifically, welcome to Hank Green introduces you to NerdCrafteria. NerdCrafteria is the Minecraft server that we have created for NerdFighteria. I know we may be a little late to the game, but if you click this button, you get a little book that you can then, well, I'm in creative mode. Sorry. Now we're in adventure mode. Of course, it thinks I've already got a copy of the book. So now I've got, I clicked and I got my starter kit. Now obviously this is Minecraft first of all. Minecraft is a sandbox game, which means that it's a game that doesn't really have a goal. You just get to do whatever you want with it. Which, an exciting thing about that, I've got the book now. I don't know why that took so long, but I've got the book, and the book is sort of the rules of the NerdCrafteria server. The exciting thing about Minecraft is that you get to do what you want to do, and so we are kind of building NerdCrafteria as a place where we do nerdfightery things. It's raining right now. Surprise, surprise. It's raining in NerdCrafteria. There's a pig over here. Hey, piggy. Oh good, it has a saddle. That's excellent news. Yeah, that's good. Let's ride it, pig! I want to ride you! I guess you can't control the pigs while you're on them. Well, I was riding a pig anyway. Sorry. I'm a little sick right now. We get to do nerdfightery things like hang out and build things together and have a good time. And I'm excited about that. So we've started this brick road here, so we're obviously headed somewhere. But while I walk down this brick road, let me just tell you that the NerdCrafteria server is obviously just in its very beginning stages, so none of what you see is complete at all, and it is not open to the public. However, we are looking for people to help us with the server, to help build it out, to help sketch out plots for people to purchase, and to do some interiors and also exterior design of buildings. So if you're the sort of person who's good at that and also is good at capturing software, capturing video, software, video, whatever, using Fraps or whatever, then please do that. And send it to us at nerdcrafteria@gmail.com. Now, where we've ended up now is the only place that we have currently plotted out. And so what we're doing is that we're actually creating an in-game currency system. And in order to get one of these plots, especially in this neighborhood, because it's quite nice, you will need, and I plotted it out myself, you will need to get some in-game currency, some money. And the way that you can get that money is a few ways. You can get it by mining. You can get it by killing bad guys, which there aren't any in this world, by the way. There are several worlds to NerdCrafteria, just to be clear. And you can also get it by donating to the Foundation to Decrease World Suck. Now where we've ended up here, I'm going to go to creative mode, which lets me fly. We've ended up at the at Lighthouse Point, as I call it, at the moment. And that Lighthouse Point currently does not have a lighthouse, you may have noticed. So if you were in the mood to build a lighthouse and then take some video of it and send that video, put that video on YouTube and then send it to us at nerdcrafteria@gmail.com, maybe your lighthouse would win, and your lighthouse would become the NerdCrafteria lighthouse. This is a 16 by 16 square that you have to work with. That is the rules. Don't try and cheat. And I want to keep it below the cloud layer. Probably just about this high if you're good at Minecraft. So not too super huge. Just a modest lighthouse. Do what you will with it. And in exchange, you'll get a nice plot of land, or even if you want to build your residence into the lighthouse, we can give you that. But the way that this server works is that you cannot just build anywhere. You actually have to rent space to build on. That's because, boy, otherwise you end up with some bad people doing bad stuff, which is called griefing, and it's terrible and messes up servers and is really annoying. So let's go back to spawn now. Oh, spawn. Oh man, I am not able to type. Yep. Oh my goodness. I did it again. Spawn. Wow, that was embarrassing, frankly. There are a few different things here. There are a few different worlds. So of course there's another world. If you know anything about Minecraft, there's another world where it's it's like an alternate universe. There's the end over here, which I don't need to know about. And then there's the mine world. So you go to the mine world, just walk in there, and now you are in adventure mode in a mine. And somebody's actually been building in mine world. I didn't realize that anybody had been doing that yet. But Minecraft is called Minecraft because you mine for materials. And when I'm in mine mode, in the adventure mode, I don't have anything yet because I just started. I got some dirt and I got a book, and I got nice clothes that Von Del Swain made me. But that's all. And so I just got to get started by breaking down some trees. There's actually that starter kit that I showed you earlier. And then with trees, you can craft different things, and that's the craft part of Minecraft. The thing about the mine world is that there are baddies like this spider that I'm going to run away from because I don't have anything to fight him with. Hopefully he won't follow me through. I'm not sure if that's possible. I assume it isn't. And if you kill those baddies, you get money, which is awesome. And also you can bring back stuff from the mine world to build in this world. Now, there is also a world, the creative world, where you don't have to mine or craft. You just have access to everything in the game. And that is the creative world. Welcome to the creative world here. You can fly in creative world, of course, because you're in creative mode. You can do whatever you want. And here's something that one of our server mods has built. We've got a couple of people who are already working on it, including this guy. I believe his screen name is Hades. Let's check. It'll have his name on there. Plot owner Hades, indeed. But let's go back to spawn. Oh, man. Spawn. Oh, what the frick? And for some reason, it deletes everything, not just a letter, whenever I push backspace. So that's super annoying. For those of you who have never played Minecraft before, I'm now going to take you to a place. You're like, well, none of this is that impressive. I'm now going to take you to a place that, oh man, we'll show you how impressive it can be. So we've ported a Hogwarts into NerdCrafteria, of course. This is something that someone else built. We just pulled it in from someone else's creation. They said that was okay, so we did that. And I'm going to go into creative so I can fly around Hogwarts. And you can't just go in creative normally, but we're working on building it right now, so I can go into creative whenever I want. And man, is this Hogwarts impressive. So that's why we chose it. We also chose it because a lot of it is empty. I believe that this is actually the Gryffindor Tower with the Gryffindor common rooms in it. But a lot of it is empty, and that leaves us a chance to do a lot of interior design. So if you are a good interior designer of Minecraft areas, please send us to nerdcrafteria@gmail.com some examples of your work, because this is a huge, huge space. And if I fly into this tower here, it's also much farther away than it looks. You will see that there's a lot of space to be designed. And we maybe want to turn this area into apartments for people to rent, and that would be really cool. Well, I don't know why there are cows all over here. Just because cows. They spawn. If I look in here, I may see that, well, it at least has a floor, so that's something. But yeah, this is a really impressive Hogwarts. It's pretty amazing that someone built this in Minecraft, frankly. I just built this spiral staircase this afternoon to get up here, because there was no way to get to the top of that tower before. So I just built a little spiral staircase. It's quite long, but then eventually you will get to the bottom. And then you will see that I have more staircase to build. That was just the side tower. So yes, it is impressive. It is wonderful. It is Minecraft. And we need help. But we don't need too much help at the moment, because we have a lot of... we've just started up the server, and we don't have a lot of capability to actually manage things. But if you look at this map here, this is the map of the world, so that's Lighthouse Point up there. There's a bay here, there's a jungle that sort of surrounds the main area, so this is where the main city will be built. This is Hogwarts, of course, over here. Excellent, and looking sexy over there, Hogwarts. And then we have 3 other neighborhoods besides Hogwarts that have yet to be assigned or built out, or even we don't even know what we're going to do or if we're going to do anything with them. This is a confined world, so if you hit this border, it gives you a little no edge message, even though there is an edge. And that is to because otherwise the server gets crazy loaded down with the amount of information in it. So it is a confined world, but there is a lot of space to fill up. And so some of these neighborhoods may not ever be developed, but we are looking for people to help us design our spawn point, help us design this whole city, which will be a city where people can rent plots and build their own things. And just frankly, Minecraft is really fun. I think it'll be a fun place. Let me turn this layer off. It turned me off. I think it'll be a fun place to hang out for people who are into that sort of thing. If you're not into Minecraft, you could check it out. There's a free version that doesn't allow you to get online, but it will be fun nonetheless that you can download. And I think the costy version is over $20, but less than $30, so it's not a particularly expensive game. And it is, if you're into it, per dollar spent, a really, really great source of entertainment. I don't know what's going on with this island yet. I don't know what we're going to do with that, but right now it just looks weird. There's like floating things. I don't know. Somebody did something over there. So we're not quite sure what we're going to do, but we do need, a lighthouse. So if you're interested and able to capture some video, please design us a lighthouse. And also, if you'd like to show off some of your other skills. And of course, it is also important that you have good interpersonal skills because we will be a team working on this. And so there will be arguments, but they will have to be settled in a fruitful fashion. So thanks. And I'm really excited. I like the look of all these plots out here. They are pretty small for Minecraft plots, but I think that people will figure out good, exciting things to do with them, and we will have larger plots in the larger city. I feel like Lighthouse Point will be a bit exclusive, and thus the plots are smaller because that's how it works when land is more expensive. So thank you for watching. You will not see me and I will not see you, but you will hear me next time on Hank Green Visits NerdCrafteria.